What's up, y'all? If you're new, the B is for Brooke and welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, we're creating a nude look with a bold lip. Not a new look to this channel, but we're gonna be using new products in this video. So I'm going to introduce you my new Holy Grail foundation, the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. I will be discussing pros and cons about this foundation. We're going to be using the 35C Everyday Chic Morphe palette. So I'll let you take a look inside of this palette and talk about what I love about this palette. There are also a couple other new products that I haven't used. So I'm really excited to put you guys on to my new discoveries. So if this is something that you want to see, make sure to keep watching. Also, before we get into this video, make sure you click the link in my description box to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram for more daily content. What I do is take polls, I let my audience choose what look they want to see, as well as a hairstyle, and then I post that before the day is over. So to participate in that, you need to go follow me on Instagram. Make sure to like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can officially become a part of the beauty crew. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Tape on, brows done per usual. I have the end of the brow tutorial on my channel if you want to see how I do my brows. I will leave the link in my description box. Different now since the last time you see me, because I have not uploaded a video in a while. I have kind of like a new setup, better lighting. Hopefully you can tell. This video we're going to be discussing new products. I have a new Holy Grail foundation that I'm gonna put you on to. So let's just get into this video. I need to get in the mood. I need to get hyper. Video, I'm gonna be creating a nude look with a red bold lip because I'm gonna go take pictures today and I need a red accent. So what's so special about this video is we're gonna be using new, never before used products. Well, you've never seen me use these products. These products are fairly new to me and I want to introduce my favorite ones to you. Main purpose of this video is because I need to do a thumbnail. So this foundation is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye foundation. Well, it's really a full coverage moisturizer. This is my new Holy Grail foundation, and we'll talk more about this when I start actually applying the foundation to my face. But until then, let's just get into this video. We're gonna be using this palette. This is the Morphe Everyday Chic 35C palette, and I'm just gonna give you a little view of the inside. So yeah, this palette is gonna help me create the nude look that I'm trying to accomplish. So let's just get into it. I'm going to be using this shade and this shade to create a nude look today, okay? I'm gonna take that darker brown shade and I'm going to lightly pack that into my crease. I'm actually gonna take this color right here and put that above that brown just to kind of smooth that out a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the other nude shade and put directly on my lid. So I'm taking that light baby pink and I'm just gonna gently place that above that brown. This is gonna help transition that and fade that out. Boom. So now I'm gonna take that very, very nude shade. I'm just gonna pack that right onto my lid. Cause I'm really going for like a nude everyday look. I feel like people like these more because, especially people who aren't into makeup, they don't wanna see how to do the crazy stuff. I feel like, just from my experience, I feel like most people wanna see how to do an everyday beat. So I think this will be appreciated. Taking that dark brown color and just lightly smoking the edges back out. So now I'm gonna add liner, do my other eye, and then we're gonna add lashes. Liner, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Black Pomade or I like to create the illusion that my eyes are more slanted than they actually are. So that's why when I wing my liner, I wing it straight out instead of versus up, because it gives the illusion that my eyes are more like catty. So you'll see I'm gonna gradually make it make the liner thicker and go like straight out as I get towards the outer corner of my eye. Okay, I like that one. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye, add lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm done with both of my eyes. I'm just gonna prime my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I still don't know how I feel about this primer, but I feel like I don't feel anything about it. Like I don't remember it. As you can tell, from the beginning of this video to now, I was explaining to you how I like to do my eyeliner to give that cat eye effect, to make my eyes look a lot more slanted. So I think you can tell what I'm talking about right now. So now, what we've all been waiting for, my new Holy Grail foundation, It Cosmetics Bye Bye Full Coverage Moisturizer Oil-Free Matte Foundation. What I love about this foundation is how thick it is and how full coverage it is, but there is some things that I don't like about it, which is my number one thing that I hate about this foundation is the shade range. It has no range. Like, it has like maybe 3 colors for deeper skin tones, which is ridiculous. I mean, it's 2020, I don't understand, but that's literally my only, and that's what's so frustrating, is that that's my only complaint, is that they don't have shade range. You guys to see how full coverage this foundation, moisturizer, whatever you want to call it is. So I'm gonna take a beauty sponge and I'm just going to blend that in. So this foundation looks great on me and on my clients. It lasts all day. Full coverage, very lightweight. Every time I use foundation on my clients, they like it feels so lightweight. Like I don't even feel like I have foundation on. Cosmetics is more of a skincare line. So the cosmetic, like the makeup products that they put out is always good for your skin. Some people ask me, which I feel like this is a time to talk about it. So a lot of people ask me about, like, do I ever want to start a cosmetics line? Since we're talking about foundations not having shade range, if I ever were to start a cosmetic line, it would be strictly foundation, and it would be like 50 shades for melanated skin, because we're over it. We're over the limited shade range. There's like 50 shade ranges for paler skin tones, lighter skin tones, brighter skin tones, and then there's 3. So that would be what I would do, because it's so frustrating to me. So now I'm gonna take my Tarte concealer and I'm going to conceal under my eyes using my concealer brush. Okay, so got that concealer on. Now I'm just gonna use my mini beauty blender from e.l.f. or beauty sponge, and I'm gonna blend that out. So now we're about to use another new product that I've never used before on this channel, which is my new Morphe powders. I have this one in the shade Banana, which is this one, and then I have it in a deeper shade, which I don't remember what the shade name is. Banana translucent powder to set my highlight. I'm gonna press that under my eye. And this freaking setting powder makes you look so smooth. It's crazy. All right, so I'm gonna take my contour stick from Wet n Wild and chisel my face. Need a brush to get my contour blender out because I feel like the sponge was taking off my foundation. Rose contour with a dry sponge, lightly patting. I'm gonna go in with the Bare Minerals bronzer and highlighter palette in the shade Rose Quartz and highlight my face. It's like a sheer highlight. The finishing touches, I'm gonna take a bright red lip. This.
It's not ugly.
But every
It
time
make you look wider.
Thanks. I'm gonna go in with a clear gloss on top of this. I have my angled eyeliner brush. I'm just gonna dip that into my gel liner. And I'm gonna put my mole look right here. I actually have a real freckle right here, but when I put my makeup on, you can't see it, so I'm putting it back.
Oh.
No, I have a freckle up here.
You put a black dot on your crystal hole in?
No.
Does it look like that?
Yeah, because it's just a hole. Very subtle. Really cute. No, I'm not. Guys, so this is the final look. If you decide to go out and test any of these products for yourself, let me know what you think in the comments. If you decide to recreate this look, tag me on Instagram so that I can repost you. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any video suggestions, make sure to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.